Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our poetry section. And that's the poem Dust of Snow. During that very discussion, I have already provided you the exact explanations of the verses. Just after then, I have already provided you the summary of the poem. So that today, I have to start a step-based questions for you. During that very discussion, I try my best to select a problem along with its solution as well as few problems for your exercise. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously follow me. Extract based questions. Read the following extracts and answer the question. My dear students, I have selected the first stanza of the poem for your solved example. Now the verses like, the way a crown shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Now on the basis of these verses, like the stanza first, you have to solve these problems. Like the first problem, who sat on a branch of hemlock tree? First option now, a crow. Second, an owl. Third, an eagle. And fourth, a sparrow. Next question now, blank sat in a sad mood. Now its options like, first one, the poetess. Second, the young man. Third, the poet. And fourth, an old man. Next question now, which thing changed the poet's mood? First option like, an ice cream. Second, dust of snow. Third, a snowfall. And fourth, flowers. Now the next question here like, find the same of a poisonous plant from the passage. First option here like, hemlock. Second, English yew. Third, poison ivy. And last like, lady's glove. Now my dear students, on the basis of the theme related with the first stanza, the exact answer related with the first question like its first option, a crow. Second answer like its third option, the poet. Similarly for problem C, the second option like dust of snow, and for the last problem like D, first option like hemlock will be the correct answer. Now, my dear students, you have to sort out these problems related with the second stage or the second stanza of the poem. Now the verses like, has given my heart a change of mood and shaped some part of a day I had rued. Regarding these verses, the first question here like, of what change does the poet mention here? As option, first like change of weather, second change of season, third change of climate, and last fourth like change of mood. Now the second question, like question number B here, whose part of the day has been saved? As option, first option here like people's, second the poetess, third the poets, and last like the travelers. Now question number C, what is the rhyme scheme of the stanza? First option like AABB, second option ABBA, third BABA, and fourth ABAB. Now, as the last question here, who is the poet of this poem? First option for you, R.L. Stevenson, second William Wordsworth, third Robert Frost, and last like fourth Ruskin Bond. Now my dear students, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out all the problems correctly. So today we have already finished the poem like Dust of Snow. Next day we have to start the next poem like Fire and Ice. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.